Today we are going to be making guacamole salsa. So if you want to learn how to make a quick and easy dip, just keep watching. So we have avocados. We're going to start out with that. If you want a good one and make sure that it's not so ripe, you want to press on it and it's kind of mushy, but not really, really mushy. And when you see that on the top, it's good to eat. What I'm gonna do is I'm just going to cut the avocado in half, like these. Twist it, open it, and then what you can do is you can cut this into slices like that, and then turn it the other way and cut it this way. So it's easier for your spoon when you use it, like that. And then you use your spoon to scoop it out in, and then you just put it into your bowl. Look at how easy it came out if you just cut it. And then how you get the seed out is you just twist it. And let's try this. It's a lot harder to do. Gotta put a little bit more muscle into it. But you get the picture. So next one. Make sure you don't cut your hand. Because when I do this, sometimes I cut a little too deep and then it's like, oh, it's gonna cut my hand. So once you have 3 of your avocados chopped up into a bowl, next we're going to do tomatoes. The big tomatoes you can use, or you can use the cherry tomatoes. But I have the big tomatoes for now, so we're just going to use that. You just want to cut it into pieces. Depending on how much tomatoes you like. And it's good if you have a sharp knife because it's hard to cut the tomatoes without squeezing all the juice in there out onto your cutting board. So keep that in mind. You see how my knife is not so sharp? So all the juice is going to my cutting board. Make sure that you use the side that doesn't have the ridge, because this is the side for the vegetables, so that you can remember to be sanitized, because this side, you see the ridges, that is for the meat, for like all that meat juice. You don't want that. You don't want that in your food because you'll get really sick. And then you said, oh, I should have listened to Queen Fancy. So I just did a quarter of, I'm gonna say a tomato and a half. Then the next thing is cilantro. Just gonna cut the head of the cilantro. Like that. Just half of it. Then just gonna put it into our mixing bowl. So after you cut up everything, you put it into your bowl. Add salt, a generous amount, not too much, just a general. And then this is the first time, but I'm going to be using this mixer right here, this guacamole mix. I bought this at, I bought this at Target. It's had all the mixer in there already. Make sure you don't squirt it into your eyes like I just did. There we go. Make sure you got everything. Then I like to put in a little hot pepper because I am a spicy girl. I like a light spice. My husband likes it too. He just didn't know until we met. Then I'm gonna put in some lime juice. Here is the best part. Is smashing it. I use a big fork to smash it. You guys see a big fork? This is a serving fork. It's not a regular fork. So if you guys just leave the avocado whole, it's a lot harder to mix. But if you cut it into pieces, it's a lot easier to mix. And if you get the really, the ones that are really ripe, then it'll turn kind of like a mucky color, and nobody wants to eat that. Or if you get the ones that's not ripe yet, then it's hard for you to mush. So I use a pan and the fork to help me. There you go. And that's it. After you mush it, you're good to go. Just get some chips in it and start eating. So if you guys do try the recipe and you guys like it, please let me know in the comment below. I don't have anything else for you guys. So until next time, I'll see you guys. Bye.